There it is, my beautiful 2010 Toyota Corolla LE, and I got all of my replenishments, provisions for my vehicle, so it is time to go through them. I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi of Seattle. Today is Wednesday, 22 October 2025. It's a weekend Wednesday, which is a Wednesday I treat like a weekend day. I decided to make progress on something I announced a few days ago. I think it was over a week ago now. With a deadline of 13 November 2025, I wanted to take and replace items in my car. So here we go. We've got, these are the new additions. So I'm getting rid of the dried mango and the fig bar and the high chew. There they are. So that's what I'm getting rid of. And in its place, I am doing Mike and Ike's candy. So this is just my sugar stash, so to speak. And Mike and Ike's a good one in the sense of I don't have to eat the whole box at a time. So kind of an improvement in that sense over the having to eat the whole package or it'll get moldy or something. I also got a Lindt Lindor caramel milk chocolate truffle bar, but I'm actually going to keep that one for myself. I'll possibly do a sweet eats on it. Video. So that's part one, good to go. Part two, I got something new that I need to figure out where I want to store. I'll link in the video description to the video where I announced these things as things to replace. I'm going to, so one is I have a quart of Valvoline full synthetic advanced 0W20, so I'm just going to take and currently do this. I think it needs to be stored in like a safe place, temperature sensitive. It's been kind of cold, so I don't know about the back of my car, but permanently is. There we go. All right, so here we go. Things I am replacing are these. And they are being replaced by, you guys ready? I got 3 of the same flavor this time. A lot of this stuff, this is good until like the end of 2027. So over 2 years. We got, I did end up deciding to get more Tic Tacs. I went with almond butter instead of peanut butter this time. I do actually prefer almond butter to peanut butter. And then I went with refried beans with this, so I don't have to have a can opener, the top here. It's a hefty can of beans. Instead of the beef and barley, and then instead of the chicken and sausage gumbo, I went with New England clam chowder. And then instead of the chicken noodle soup, I went with heart healthy chicken noodle soup. And I decided to not replace the 100 calorie packs because I actually ate that when it wasn't an emergency. So I was like, you know, I'm trying to deter myself from actually doing that. So, oh wait, toilet paper needs to go back in. And there's my toilet paper roll. There it is. It's done. And so I just gotta, now the fun part is throwing the rest of it out. But those are the new additions. So that's for my emergency kit, my oil, and then my glove compartment. Those are the new additions for supplies for my car. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla LE Silver. I named Lepton after the elementary particle in particle physics. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi of Seattle, and thank you for joining me.